One, two, one, two. Welcome, guys. Pedro here with another video. I just want to welcome you guys to my live stream. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to join the family. We're going to begin shortly, so just bear with me. Forward to getting started today. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to begin shortly. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. We're about to start, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Let's go, let's get it. Thanks so much for waiting, guys. Comment in the chat box below. Where are you guys joining us from? Let's go, let's go. Welcome back, guys. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Guys, feel free to let me know where you guys joining us from in the chat box below. We are going to begin. Also, smash that like button for me, guys. New week, let's go. Jetan, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Yes. All right, got everything set up here. Adam, welcome, buddy. Welcome. Excited to have you guys. All right, we're going to begin right now shortly, guys. I'm going to turn on my camera. Thank you so much for joining. Another Monday morning, another beautiful week to come. Adam, I'm from Malaysia. Awesome, man. Nice. We got people from all over the world. That is pretty cool. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna turn on my camera here. Welcome. And then I'm just gonna turn on my smaller camera. Let's see if I can help you move it here to the top this time. Change it up a bit. All right, guys, welcome to the channel, guys. If you guys are new, my name is Pedro, and I do Forex trading and a little bit of crypto as well. And welcome to the family. All right, guys, so we're gonna begin. Taking a look at gold. Gold did end up pushing down below, but like I said, I wanted to see price break below this level of structure for a continuation to the downside. We only got gold reject this level, unfortunately, so it was a move to the downside, but it wasn't as much as we thought it would. So it was about 62 pips move to the downside, 63. So I mean, yeah, that's why it's important to always look at the left-hand side and what price is doing. And quite frankly, that was an area where price in the past was reacting. You could see it right here, the level of structure. So that's why I was like, I want to see price react to this level, and then if price breaks below this level, then it's a continuation to the next following level here to the downside. So it's always good to keep an eye out, guys, and see and mark out your key areas, because then that way you're gonna know this is where price could potentially react, etc. Right? So it's something to keep in mind. All right, guys. So it seems like we didn't end up getting in this trade, but it seems like it did end up going in our favor. Obviously, not as strong as I would have liked to, but it did end up moving 89 pips. So that's still really good potential there, guys, to make some good profits. So we have this trade. We were looking for buys, counter trend, obviously, because overall bias on USD JPY to me is still somewhat bullish. We're just getting a retracement, right? So I was just waiting to get it on a pullback. We're currently on the 4-hour. So if you guys look at the 4-hour, right, we have a strong momentum push. Look, we're trending upwards, right? We got that strong momentum push. Price started to exhaust over here finally, and then we got a break of structure of support here, and then price continued to break below. Now it seems like price was able to hold this level of support here, and so this is where I was telling you guys, I was like, guys, I'm gonna wait for a pullback, and it seems like it did pull back nicely. It wicked over and then it rejected it right away. So it seems like there is bearish sentiment overall. What I want to see for USD JPY is probably see it touch down once more here at this level of structure. Depending on what price does at this level of structure, if we get a rejection, then I'll see price come back and retest this high again. Otherwise, I'm looking for potential sells, continuation of sells for USD JPY temporarily, at least. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Hey, Vivi. Good morning, Kunis. Happy to have you. Biggest supporter there, right there, Vivi, my sister-in-law. After my wife, obviously. Okay, so yeah, so that's the level of structure I'm looking at to hold support. If it's able to hold that support, then I'm looking for price to continue to go higher and break these highs over here. But first we need to see price. If we see price come back here, we see a rejection and price reverses and comes back up, we need to see price break this level of structure first before we start considering buys to the upside. Okay, that's something to keep in mind, guys. You don't just get in just to get in. 1 hour, like I said, 1 hour I feel like price, and we could maybe yeah, it's looking bearish, to be honest, short term. Like the 1 hour, see how far of a range this is. So 1 hour sell, that's about 60 pips. So there is still a bit of a range, right, to trade. My overall bias right now with USD JPY is sell. Let's actually narrow this down to the 15-minute. Yeah, this is looking like a sell setup here. Give me 1 sec. Yeah. 36 pips, 35 pips. And then target the lows over here. Well, 56 pips. See, there's a trade right there, guys. If price comes back up, which it could, that's fine. But it just shows you, like, you know what I mean? This is a good, oh yeah, so it closed. 15-minute closed, 30-minute. Yeah, price could actually, guys, price could continue to go below here on USD JPY and retest this level of structure. On the 15-minute, we've got that strong momentum push to the downside. Got that exhaustion phase here, and then price is pulling back down. Could be a good potential trade. We'll follow back up, guys, and see what happens. Let's go, let's go. All right, guys, so it seems like we finally got a push above, potentially, or it's starting to break above this range, because this is GJ, by the way. This is GJ on the daily, and yeah, so this is GJ on the daily, and then even here on the 4 hour, we could see that price has come up to this level of structure, and it's rejecting here. All right, we've got a comment here. David, bro, how can you be full-time trader, a lot of money, and you can't do a good live stream? So big legs. Oh, I'm not sure, man. Could be the internet. It is what it is. Sometimes it's not in my hands, right? So live streams as well requires a lot of editing, publishing, and all that type of stuff. Sometimes it could be the internet. Been having some issues with my software, so if you don't like it, you don't have to be here, my friend. So no problem. And that's for David. So David, if that bugs you, my friend, you don't have to be here. You don't have to be here, bro. All right. I try to provide as much valuable content to you guys, and you know what I mean. If the lagginess bugs you, then you know what I mean. I have people write it out with me, and eventually I'll get the proper software in place. It is what it is, right? Like, I'm doing these live streams. I could trade without doing the live streams. I do these live streams to help you guys, right? So I don't need to be doing live streams. I do trading on its own. So I'm here to help you guys and provide as much value, right? So as you guys know, we've been having a couple issues with my software. So if it is laggy, I'm sorry, guys. Sorry about that, but it is what it is. David says, I like watching, but my brain don't like the legs. I get it, man. Yeah, I get it. I'm sorry about that, but like I said, I'm trying to figure that out, and I'm going to get that fixed out shortly, so. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, it must be, everything's updated here on my end, so it's not laggy. So it must be your internet, man. Hands, there's always lag with any streamer. Yeah, Hands knows what's good, man. It's the truth, man. Like, that has, like, it's out of my control. Like, what can I tell you? There's so many internets. Like, I have, here in Canada, we have an internet called Bell Fiber Optics. It's one of the fastest internets here available. And I mean, I've never had, I know we had like 3 or 4 different live streams where we had some heavy lag. And I think that was because, like I mentioned to you guys, I have a iMac. And so my iMac pushes the video, I'm filming it through my webcam, right? So it pushes through the video through 4K. So when I change my settings, like let's say it reboots it, it pushes my video as 4K. So the live stream, like the OBS software, can't handle it. So YouTube's like, what's going on? You're pushing on 4K live stream. And so it gets super laggy, right? So yeah, so that's why we were having lags before. I finally figured it out. So I changed the set, like it was trying to, the resolution was like 4,000, right? Whatever. So I changed it back down to 1080p, I believe it is, or something like that. There's a lot of stuff that I'm still learning, guys, right? Because, like, you know, one thing is being a trader and another thing is like being like all technical, right? I'm so new to the technical, but I'm willing to do that for you guys, to be here and teach you guys as much as I can. Adam, I'm learning, Pedro. It's good to have you showing me tips. Adam, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, man. I really do. And Hans, thank you so much as well. And, you know, soon enough, guys, I'll be better and better at this in terms of like all the software and stuff. I'm learning each day when it comes to the live streaming aspects and the technicals. But as long as I'm here to provide you guys all this value as much as possible and I can teach you guys what I know and you guys are learning, that makes me happy. So let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys. So we're going to begin here with GJ. So GJ, it seems like we did finally get that break above this range, but we got to be very, very cautious because it seems like it could be another fake out. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, we've got one fake out here, another one here, another one here. So it looks like if these red candles didn't exist, we would have thought, okay, we finally got a break of structure. We're looking for buys. So something to keep in mind, we're kind of going through that same thing again. So let's just kind of hold off a bit. But in the meantime, let's go back down to the 1 hour and see what price could do short term. See if there's any sort of, I mean, price could potentially come back down. So we're looking at the 1 hour for GJ, okay? So price could potentially come down to these lows over here. That's something I'd be looking at. So price is most likely going to exhaust. And I think price is going to continue to go a little bit higher because if we go back down to the daily, excuse me, look how high these levels went, right? So look how high price went. And look, we're just barely breaking in. So what I'm expecting right now, price is going to pull back, okay, on GJ. And we're probably looking for buys because if we go back down to the 1 hour, right, we're just barely wicking out. So look, price is starting to pull back already. So here's what I'm seeing, guys. I want to see a heavy rejection of this level right here. And then we can start looking for a nice clean buy setup here, probably like New York Open. And then let me pull my fib here. We've got the push from over here. Let me move my stop loss. Let me just tighten this up a little bit. All right, so let's do it like, let's say 30 pips, because that's pretty fair. Even like 35 just to be safe, right? Because we could just get like a wick down below, and then we can set our targets to our 0.618. It's about 100 pips, 101 pips, guys. So obviously we know, like price is breaking out. It could be a fake out, but again, we still understand that on the daily and the 4 hour, there's still, like, if price is coming up like this, and look at this strong momentum push here below. Look at this. But a strong momentum push, finally breaking out of this range for a couple days, couple weeks, almost a month actually, ranging. We got that strong momentum push. We got the pullback of this level of structure, which I mentioned to you guys, and it pushed back up. So now we're retesting the high of this range, okay? we need to see probably price either break above fully finally, or it's going to fake out again and then come back down in the range. So if it's going to be either or, if it's going to break up or if it's going to be a range, I mean, if it's going to be a fake out, it still has a little bit more juice to go higher. Look at the past, right? Like price has gone way higher here. You can see all those wicks over here, right? It's come to like 68, 168, 600, 168, 167, right? And right now we're at 166. So there's still a lot of juice to come to the upside. And even if we set our targets here at 167.389, like that's a pretty good level where I could target price going up. The daily is pulling back. Sorry, the daily is bullish and the 4 hour is just having a pullback. We go back down to the 1 hour. Like I said, I'm seeing price pull back to that level of structure of support. This is where we want to see price pull back to. Reject this level. If we see rejections at, like, let's say New York Open, we're looking for buys, guys. All right, let's go. Let me know, guys, in the chat box if you understood that explanation. Let me know. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. Let's kill it. Let's go. Let's go. GJ. Also, guys, if you enjoyed that explanation, smash that like button for me. Appreciate you guys. Let's get it. All right, so now we're going to move on to GBP odd. Let's clear the charts here, guys, because I don't want to, it's just, sometimes it looks way too messy. And so it's just like better to have it nice and clean. All right, so we're looking at GBP odd. So we were seeing a downwards trend, a strong downwards trend to the downside. Let me go up to the weekly because I want to see if we are at a level of support. Okay. So it seems like we are touching this level, which is quite significantly in the past. It has respected in the past. So let me just draw this line so you guys can see. That seems like it's a good level of support. Yeah, it's respected it multiple times. So it seems like, yeah, we you know, you can see price touched it here, right? So we had support, had resistance. We had a little bit of support there, or overlap, and a little bit of support here, resistance here. Okay, so it is a significant area for price to react. Okay, this is on the weekly, so we know that on the weekly, you know, price has been trending bearish, and we're coming to this level of support. Quite significant, guys. We need to keep an eye out at this level and make sure price holds this level of structure. Obviously, there was a little bit of indecision there, but that kind of looks like an inverse hammer, but we don't know yet. Okay, so let's take a look here on the daily. Okay, daily, well, obviously we have some pretty bearish candles, but it seems like it's holding somewhat this level here. This is the most important thing. We want to see this level hold. So let's go down to the 4 hour. Right now, what I see is happening with GBP odd. As much as I love this pair, I think it's just ranging. Okay, so as long as price holds the support level, we're good. But we're looking long term for buys. But right now we're just stuck in this range. So what do we need to look for? We need to look for either trading the tops and bottoms of the range, and we're looking for a breakout. Most likely, what I'm looking for is a breakout to the upside and then a pullback, and then we can expect a continuation to the upside for GBP odd. Okay. In the meantime, we're just going to be ranging, and if there's any ranging trades I see, I will let you guys know. Potentially, to be honest, we are at the bottom of this range, so we might be looking for buys, but to me, this looks so choppy, it's just hard to trade this, you know what I mean? It just doesn't look like any good setups here, guys. Like, you know, remember, we always want to go for quality over quantity, right? So all right, so let's move on to the next. We are looking at GBP CAD. Let's clear the charts. Go back up to the daily. Guys, smash that like button if you guys are learning. I appreciate it, guys. It does help with the channel. And in turn, it helps me continue to do these live streams for you guys. Please do me that solid and like that button. Smash that like button. Destroy it. Let's go. Also, let me know in the chat box. Don't be shy, guys. I appreciate it. I like when you guys comment and let me know you know, if I'm helping you or if you have any questions. All right, guys, so let's take a look at daily. Daily seems like it's holding this level of support. Actually, let's move it up to the weekly and kind of see where we're at. GBP CAD. So yeah, we are at this level of support. Obviously not. There we are. This level here was very like a strong level of support. You can see price rejected it multiple times in the past. But let's kind of bring it down to where it currently is. So price broke below and it's still holding this level of support, which is still an area of significance. Same with here. If we move all the way back, it's still a level to keep an eye out. So let's holy man, that Amazon Alexa clock is nuts. Scares the crap out of me all the time. Okay, let's narrow it down. We are trending super bearish on the daily for GBP CAD. Okay, we have been trending. You could see obviously lower highs. Okay, lower high, lower high. Okay, lower high, lower low, etc. Right? So you guys are getting it, right? We unfortunately failed to break. What was I gonna say? Unfortunately, this level broke. So this level of support, this level of structure here, broke. So super bearish, right? Now all I need to see is price form some sort of a support of this level, and then we can start seeing some sort of a reversal. If price breaks this level of structure, most likely what we're seeing short term though for GBP CAD is a push to this level of structure. We can start looking for buys potentially, but very cautiously, because this is the level. We don't want to look for any buys above this level until we see a break of this level to the upside. So our targets should be buys, but up to this level. That's it. All right, 153, 948 max. That's the max level we want to reach unless price breaks through it. Okay, guys. Are you guys with me? Let me know if you guys are with me. Let me know if you guys are understanding that in the chat box below. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Got my matcha tea. Let's get it. You guys with me? You guys understand it? You guys understanding that explanation? Let me know. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, just give me 1 second here. Let me know in the chat box below if there's any specific pair you guys want me to go over. You have me here with me, guys, so let me know. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, guys. Pedro here. For those of you that are just joining us, we come live every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. So happy to have you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I'm live. I do come every single morning at 6:30 a.m., but I also do surprise you guys in the evening. So we do some pre-London sessions sometimes. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Also, feel free to join our Telegram family that we have, Blessed Traders Academy. It's absolutely free to join. And yes, I do answer. I do respond to messages on there as well. And you guys know I'm always here live to support you guys. Any questions you have, I don't. Some streamers charge for questions and stuff like that. I don't do any of that. So yeah, like any questions you have, or you're just starting out and you just want clarity, you've come to the right place. I'm telling you that for sure. And like I said, I started this more for community, to give back to the community, because I've been trading for 6 years, and trading was, it was really hard, guys. Like, you know, as many of you guys probably already know my story, you know what I mean? Being able to have that support and have my questions answered was very difficult, right? And feeling like included in a community is very, very difficult because there's so much people, right? So I've created this channel for that, to give back to people and to be able to help them in their journey and teach them not only just trading, but the discipline of trading. You know what I mean? You have to be disciplined. You have to look at trading as a business, not as a side thing or something that's going to get you rich quick, because it's not that. You know what I mean? It's a skill set that you learn. And once you master this skill set, this language, it becomes this whole new thing that could literally reward you for the rest of your life. Without having a special indicator, without having a special nothing, because I'm telling you right now, anyone that's telling you a special indicator is going to give you results is lying to you. They're just trying to sell you something, right? So anyways, if you guys are new and you're just starting out, or you've been trading for a while and you haven't had any success, join the family, guys. Trust me, you won't regret joining the family. Subscribe below and hit that little notification. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Let's get it. We got Yusuf Baba here, US 30. All right, Yusuf, welcome. I'm not sure if you're already part of the family, brother, but welcome to the family. Let's take a look at US 30. Also, check them. Don't worry, brother. We're going to take a look at EJ for you. Just give me 1 second, all right? Guys, do me a huge solid and smash that like button for me. It really does help the channel. All right, guys, we're going to take a look at US 30. We've got Yusuf request here. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna delete this here. All right, so let me just narrow it down for those of you that just joined us. If you guys look at my previous live stream, remember I told you guys that I saw a inverse head and shoulders forming, and honestly, price did form this inverse head and shoulders and went above exactly as predicted, changed its overall direction, and we knew that it was at a major level of structure. Let me clear the charts though, because I want you guys to see everything nice and clean. All right, so let's take a look here. So in the bigger picture, we were trending downwards. Okay, we have, however, let me point this level out right away. That's the level of structure right away. Also, this is a level of structure here, structure low. Okay, and this is another level of structure here. Okay, so this is the most important, most recent price action. Again, price could also react to this level here too, because this is a level of structure as well. But I'm not going to point out everything. I just want to focus on current price action, which is the most important thing. All right, so we knew that price was trending to the downside, and now we kind of got the overall sentiment change. We finally we failed to create a new lower low here. Okay, we failed to create this newer lower low, and now what did we create? A new higher low, a new higher high above this previous level of structure. Okay, this is the previous level of structure. Price created finally a first new higher high and a new higher low. So what does this indicate to me? That price is most likely starting to create a new overall sentiment. And so price has pulled back heavily, obviously, after it came to this level of structure, which was quite significant. So for US 30, we are seeing a rejection of this level. What I want to see is price react to this level. Depending on how price reacts to this level, just looking at it right now, we are on the daily. It is still kind of trending bullish. Let's go up to the 4 hour. We got to be very cautious, guys, because we are coming to this major level of structure on the 4 hour. And the daily was just that pullback, right? So what I want to see is price react to this level. Depending on how price reacts to this level, if we see price break through this level, then we're looking for a continuation to buys and create a new higher high. If we see price reject this level, then that's fine. That doesn't mean that US30 isn't still bullish short term. It just means that short term it's just going to be ranging for a little bit and retesting these lows over here. Okay, so that's how we catch these big moves, guys. So keep that in mind. These big moves that we've caught in the past, where I've told you guys, yo, US30 is going to be melting, guys. I'm telling you, it's going to melt. It's coming to this level of structure. Is very, very crucial to keep in mind. Okay. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind for US30. We're at this level of structure. I'm looking for a potential rejection of this structure. If we get a rejection, then we look for a retest of these lows. Okay. Within the 1 hour, let's take a look at 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, I still need to see price kind of react to this level. In the meantime, right now, US30 has nothing to offer. I probably want to see some sort of a double top on the 1 hour or something like that. We could see maybe a potential double top formation on the 1 hour, or some sort of head and shoulder, so price push back up one more time within this resistance area, and then another right shoulder, and then finally a pull back below. And I mean, this is a huge range, so we have lots of potential to catch pips here on this pullback. But again, if we get price still bullish, then we will look for buy setups. Okay, so I'm going to keep in mind, don't worry, I will keep you guys in the loop. So let's take a look what's going on with the music here. Welcome guys. We've got new members joining us. Let's go, let's get it. Let's go, let's go. Let's get it, guys, let's go. All right, Chetan, let's go, Chetan. I'm gonna take a look at Euro JPY for you. Give me 1 second here. Got the matcha, let's go, let's get it. Water. Let's get it, guys, let's go. Chetan, let's go, Chetan. I'm gonna take a look at Euro JPY for you. Yusuf, I hope that was helpful, brother. You understanding? I know as traders, and trust me, I've been there, you want to get into a trade right away. You want to find a trade, but don't force a trade if there's no trade. So don't worry. Trust me, if there's a good trade setup, I will let you know, and we get in on these trade setups. Trust me. People that have been following me know that if I tell you, hey guys, like this is good potential, and I'll let you guys know in my Telegram group. So if you haven't joined the Telegram group, join the Telegram group. And also, it's not just about the Telegram group, because the Telegram group, I do respond when I get a chance when I'm not online. But that's not the whole purpose, guys. Just because I've created that Telegram group, it's also YouTube. Like, this is free value, you know what I mean? So also just make sure you're following me on my YouTube, because that's the main thing. This is where you can ask all the questions, have me live, you know what I mean? And I want to support you guys, because I know that you guys, some of you might be struggling and it's not easy, but don't give up, guys. Let's go. Don't give up. I've been there before. Trading is super rewarding if you just are able to stay focused. Remember, consistency will get you results. Consistency, non-stop consistency will get you results. So let's go. We're going to take a look at Euro JPY. Let's get it, guys. Welcome to the family. We got a couple new members joining us. Welcome to the family, guys. Excited to have you. Okay, we're going to take a look here. Euro CAD. Okay, where's Euro JPY here? Got a request from Chetan. No, that's right. I had it here. Hold on. There we go. All right, so so Euro JPY seems like it broke above this level of structure. Remember, I told you guys what I'm looking for was potentially for price to hold this level of support, which it didn't. So remember, I told you guys, I'm like, if price fails to hold this level of resistance, then it's probably going to retest these highs. If it retests these highs and it breaks above, then we're looking for a break and retest of this structure or a continuation to the upside. So it seems like euro is finally starting to, the overall bearish sentiment of euro is starting to kind of break up. And euro was very weak. So let's take a look at the daily. And as you guys can see in the overall bigger picture, we are still in this range. So again, we had this wick. You can see it right over here. We had this wick over here. And let me zoom in so that you guys can see much better because it's kind of hard to see. But this is the top of the range. Do you see that wick? This is the daily time frame, by the way. So keep that in mind, guys. Daily time frame. Do you see that wick rejection right there? So it seems like price did come all the way up here and it rejected it once more. So let's go down to the 4-hour for Euro JPY. So remember I told you guys, I was like, I'm hoping for a rejection of this level. Overall, we're at the top of this range. So I'm looking for price to hold this level of resistance and continue to fall back down. That was my whole objective. Obviously, clearly price wanted to come back up and create some sort of a fake out or whatever the case is. But you can see that almost right away here on the 4-hour, we got a big bearish candle form right after. So to me, that's just telling me, no, still not bullish. Price is still bearish. So something we just got to keep an eye out. Let's take a look at the smaller time frames, like even the 30-minute. If price for some reason holds this level of support, so now that we kind of broke these highs here, like this previous high, if price happens to hold this level of support and comes back up, we just got to be very cautious. If we start seeing rejection and price holding this level of support, we could get into a buy setup. But we have to be very, very cautious, guys, because it's not a solid area where I would be wanting to place, because we're pretty much at the peak of a breakout. You know what I mean? So when you're at this area, you have to really see a strong momentum push to the upside to really start seeing, okay, price is starting to exhaust. We're looking for sells, or price broke this level of structure, like with strong momentum, and now we're finally expecting a pullback. Now I'm going to get in on a buy because I'm seeing heavy rejection. I'm seeing price failing to break below. And so I'm seeing price hold this level of support. This is why I want to get on a buy, because I see prices failing to break below lower. It doesn't want to push down lower. And so that's a strong indication that it's going to continue to go higher. Are you guys understanding that? Let me know in the chat box below. Also, smash that like button for me, guys, if you enjoyed that explanation on Euro JPY. Are you guys getting it? Do you guys understand it? Let me know. If you don't, I can explain it again, but if you do, let me know in the chat box. Really appreciate it, guys. Appreciate the support. Let's get it, guys. Currently 7:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we've got a little bit more time, but anyways, that's what we've got there for Euro JPY. Okay, wait for rejection of this level setup. We didn't get that rejection. That's fine. We did actually, because you can see when price the market opened, it was already below here, but then it pushed back up. So we did get that rejection. Unfortunately, this would have been something that we should have gotten on Friday, but either way, price pushed back up almost right away. And we got a break above this level of structure. Let me delete that here just to show you guys. It seems like it's holding this level of support right now. I need to see a break of this level of structure. You can see it right over here, highlighted, for a continuation of longs and looking for buy setups. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Price did reject it right away, and now it came back down. That looks like a hammer, yeah, inverse hammer right there on the 30-minute. So price could come back up and retest these highs once more. We'll see what happens. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, guys. A couple more people joining the family. Let's get it, guys. Yes, so Euro JPY is testing potentially support right now for a continuation of its breakout. So if we look at, let's go back up to the daily. We're at the top of this range for Euro JPY, okay? So I feel it's not breaking out yet because we got this strong rejection. Do you see that wick right there? We're at the top of the range. Look at, do you see this range? We're not trying, look at this is the bottom of the range. This is the top of the range. Okay, you guys see that? So we're at the top. And then you can see that price has respected this range top, and it's also respected it at the bottom. right? And you can see this double top formation, price melted. Price came back down here, and then price came back up. So now we're at this level, and it seems like it is holding this level. We're not seeing a heavy breakout. We did see a push to the upside, and that's why you see that wick, because price came up, but then it rejected it right away. This is the daily chart, by the way. If we go down to the 4 hour, it seems like to me that we are getting that break above, but it looks like it's wicking back down. So it could be potentially a fake out. That's what I'm saying. If price holds this level here, so see this red candle, see that blue candle pushed very bullish, and then right away price rejected it right away, and to me that usually is a fake out. This is the 4 hour, by the way. So to me that's just price is just indicating no, it's not feeling it, it's rejecting this level. So now mind you, we could hold support here, so a potential pullback of this level, and price could come back up and start trending a little bit more bullish, but we won't know. And that's why I'm saying we have to be very patient and see if we're narrowing it down to the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour, by the way. If price holds this level of support, then we could potentially look for buys, but only to the top of this level here. So I'm not saying buys in continuation. I'm saying a retest of this level high here. If we see prices holding support here, then we can look for a buy setup to retest this high. If we break this high, then we're looking at potential buy setups finally breaking out above this range that we have here. So are you guys with me? Are you guys understanding that? Basically, I'm not saying that this is the direction yet, but what I'm saying, it looks like a fake out. But if we hold this level of support here on the 1 hour, then we can look for clean buy setups to the highs over here. If we break these highs, then we're looking at potential final breakout above this entire range. And then we would just wait for the pullback, right? Because we don't want to just get on a buy just because it broke above here, right? We don't know how high it's going to go yet, right? So I hope you guys understand that. You guys with me on that? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Couple more members joining the family, guys. Welcome to the family, guys. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you get notified when I'm live. So welcome. If you guys enjoyed that explanation, smash that like button for me. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Chetan, yes, thank you. Awesome, brother. That's exciting. I'm happy to see that you're understanding my explanation there. Guys, don't be shy. Feel free to let me know in the chat box where you guys are coming from. Also, feel free to let me know in the chat box if you have any questions. I'm here for you guys. I'm here live in the flesh. I'm here to support each and every one of you guys. So let's get it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so yeah, so that was my Euro JPY explanation there. I hope you guys understood that. Okay, so let's move back here. Let's see what's going on. USD JPY, so we kind of already went over this one. Short-term sells, gold. All right, so gold is coming to this level of structure on the. Yeah, okay, we've got Amir Solomon. Amir, welcome, brother, welcome. Can we look at gold, please? Absolutely. Let's take a look at gold. All right, guys, so taking a look at gold on the daily. Hold on one second. Taking a look at gold on the daily, we can see that obviously gold is respecting this level of support. We saw that double bottom. And we are finally seeing bullish sentiment. So if you look at the daily candle for gold, it looks super bullish. This is good. I want to see this candle close above this, this level of structure for a continuation to the upside. Because that way we're finally going to complete, this double bottom formation. And so if we narrow it down to the 4 hour, yeah, so we are finally looking like we're creating some lower highs sorry, lower lows, and actually lower highs too as well. But so do you see this, guys? So let me just narrow this down here a little bit better. So we are at the bottom of this double bottom formation. Within the double bottom, we have another double bottom on the right hand side. And now look at this. So we've got the low, we've got another higher low, right? And right now we're retesting this high. So what I want to see ideally is price actually go for gold to break above this level. And that's fine if it doesn't, because that doesn't mean that gold is still not bullish, okay? That just means that price is just going to range continually and then finally break out. We're just waiting for a breakout here. By the way, this is the 4 hour. 4 hours looking bullish. And then we had an instant rejection of this level of structure. To me, gold is looking like buys. Let's narrow it down to the 1 hour. Yeah, we're looking for a nice clean break above this level of structure. But again, there is a probability. Remember, trading is all about probabilities, and we want to manage our risk and minimize our risk as much as possible, guys. As traders, we want to make sure that we analyze the market. We're not just jumping in, okay? So obviously, like, you know, if it was new me, like if I was just starting out, I would have saw this and be like, oh man, I'm getting heavy buys. You know what I mean? Yes, cool. But and we did get that sort of exhaustion. We didn't get a full pull back to this level, which would have been cool. But also look at here, right? This is another level of potential support where price kind of ranged for a bit. So we're looking at, you can see gold is starting to push up. Obviously, we're looking at, let's take a look here. Yeah, we're looking for like gold buys for sure, to be honest. Let me just narrow it down to the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm feeling really bullish on gold. It's about time gold breaks above. Daily, look at how bullish this is on the daily. This candle's super bullish on the daily. Got bullish sentiment on the 4 hour. Okay, 2 candles already on the 4 hour. 2 4 hour candles are bullish. 1 hour. Yeah, like I mean, for all we know, obviously price could come back down, but I'm pretty bullish on gold. I'll keep you guys in the loop. So if you guys aren't part of our Telegram group, let me know. And I will send you the link if you can't find it, but it's in the video description below. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, Blessed Traders Academy, it's absolutely free to join. I do share my analysis on there. I do have like a more exclusive kind of like private group. It's like the VIP room that I have. But honestly, if you're just starting out, feel free to just join the free chat, and you'll be able to get familiar with a few things, and then we go from there. But join the Telegram there. The link is in the description. And if you guys are looking to take your trading to the next level, we do have our Telegram group there with our VIP as well too. So anyways, guys, let's I'll keep you guys in the loop, but to me this is looking like buys for gold. Finally looking at some potential breakout to the upside. 15-minute, again, every time frame I'm looking at buys right now, guys. This is pretty good for gold. Also, mind you though, look at this here, right? Price was pushing up bullish. Look at that wick rejection. Gold tends to wick a lot. So probably our most current target area would probably be here for gold. So I'd probably see gold push up to this level. We're talking about, let's see how much of a range we've got here. Talking about 70 pips, so like 67 pips range. So and the reason why I'm saying that, guys, remember, I'm not going to tell you something just to tell you, but the reason why I'm saying that is because we've got busyness here, right? We've got market reacting to this level. So gold could come back up here, come touch this level, and then break, and then range for a bit, and then finally a strong break up to the upside, which is what we want to see long term. But yeah, anyways, Amir, great, thanks, Pedro. Hey, no problem, man. Adam, gold. All right, gold. Thank you, Pedro. Yeah, no worries, guys. Appreciate it, guys. I appreciate you guys, really do. Appreciate all the support. Also, guys, if you enjoyed that explanation on gold, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button for me. Let's go. Let's get it. I'll keep you guys in the loop in the Telegram group. You guys know that. If there's any trade setup I see, I'm seeing it with gold, I will let you know. Absolutely. Keep you guys in the loop. Let's go. Let's go. Remember, we want to see confirmations. Price at any time could do anything, so we just got to keep an eye out. That's why we wait. We wait. Right? Quality over quantity always. All right, guys, so we got USD JPY pre-New York Open. We are getting that melt. Remember I told you guys we were looking for sells to this level of structure. We are looking at a 56 pip move. We are getting sells on USD JPY. This trade is going in our favor. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you guys like that, guys, let me know in the chat box below if you guys enjoy these live streams. Oh yeah, look at that, guys, melting. This is live, guys, live in the flesh. Let's go, let's go. Gotta have that matcha tea. You guys know what's good. Oh, yeah, that's good stuff. Guys, this is a trade I analyzed this trade in front of you guys at the beginning of this live stream today. And you guys could see how it's melting already. USD JPY in the flesh, guys. So if you guys are looking to take your trading to the next level and you're just starting out, or you've been trading for quite some time and haven't been successful, do not worry. Join us as a community. And that's why I called it Blessed Trader Academies, because we are blessed and fortunate because God has blessed us in so many ways. So we're blessed and fortunate to have another day. We're breathing here, guys. We're breathing. We have another day to enjoy. And so just remember, guys, you guys are blessed. Each and every one of you guys are blessed. And, you know, each and every one of you God has given you God-given gifts. You know what I mean? It's all God's plan. Let's go. Let's go. If you're here for a reason, right? So let's get it. Time to learn, guys. Time to learn. Let's get it. Put some hashtags here. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's dive. Let's go. Drop down your favorite emoji in the chat box. Let's get it. Let's go. Favorite emoji in the chat box. Let's destroy this chat box. Also the like button, guys. Really appreciate it. All right, so I want to see a close of USD JPY. But anyways, guys, like I said, this is kind of what I saw happening for USD JPY. Pretty clear structure. I'm telling you, like, I see price super bearish right now, but I see price probably coming down to this level here of structure and just holding this level of support. If we see a hold of this level of support, then we can look at this buy setup that I have here, probably at this level here. So then this will give us a good risk reward ratio. And then that way we're not over risking or over trading for potential like 150 pip move over time. Obviously everything takes time. But if you look at I cleared the charts, by the way, but if you look at our previous live streams, guys, we predicted this melt. Like, we saw this melt happen. You can see all the previous live streams. I talked about it, right? If we narrow it down, this is the 4 hour, by the way, but if you look at the 1 hour, right? Look at this structure forming here. We had lower highs, and look how flat this level of support was. So I was like, guys, that's quite significant. Prices held this level of support multiple times, and I said, if we see a break of structure, I want to see a slight retest. Doesn't matter, and I'm looking for sells here. And if you guys check out my previous live streams, you'll be able to see kind of how I pointed this out. I believe I did like a 35 pip stop, and I was targeting this level here. So I didn't go all the way down. I said my second target was probably around here. We'd have to go back to the video and watch it, but my first level of target of TP was down here, which was like 100 pips. So yes, these are opportunities in the markets that we can always take advantage of. Let's get it, guys. Welcome, welcome. We've got a couple new people joining us, guys, joining the family. Welcome to the family. Guys, don't be shy. Let me know in the chat box if you want me to go over a certain pair that you're looking at. You have me now, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that explanation. Got a couple more people joining the family here. If you guys enjoyed that explanation, make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Destroy that like button. Let's get it. Let's go. Seems like Bitcoin, we got that breakout, that major level of structure. Okay, so you know what's funny? Yesterday we saw price. You see that wick right there, that wick rejection here on Bitcoin, and I show you guys this because I started trading Bitcoin first, and then I got into Forex. But anyways, so take a look at that. You see that rejection there? Heavy rejection. Some people would be like, "Oh my gosh, that's it. It's done. It's over," right? Yes, but also you got to keep in mind that we have to wait. We have to wait and see what price does, because the next following candle on the 4-hour, look what Bitcoin did. Came back up. It ate up everything it did here. And if you look at my arrows, what are my arrows saying, right? I said we broke above this level of structure, which is quite significant, guys. This is a significant level of structure, right? We saw price break above this level of structure. And then what am I telling you guys here? Look at my arrows, guys. I've already said this in my past live stream. I said, guys, I'm looking for Bitcoin, now that we got this break above this level of structure, to continue to go higher. Yesterday, you would have probably thought, damn, man, like price came up, but then it melted back down. Yes, but you have to wait. That's why you have to be patient and wait for confirmations and not just get into a trade when you feel like it or when it seems attractive, right? Have to be patient. Patience is key, guys. So we got this break of structure. My next level is this level here, which I've already highlighted. I saw Bitcoin coming up to this level. This is a key level, guys. This is important because this is a price where if price breaks above this level, then we're looking for a continuation for Bitcoin. But for me, I think it's just going to come up to this level and it's going to reject this level and continue to fall back down again before continuing to push higher. All right, we got NAS 100. Yeah, don't worry. I'll take a look at NAS 100 for you. No problem here. Let's go. Let's go. Vincent, I'm not sure I've seen your name before, but welcome to the family, man. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm here every single day, live, Monday through Friday at 6:30 a.m. So let's get it, guys. Consistent, always here. Let's get it. Vincent says, hello, where are you from? I'm from Canada, man. I'm from Canada, but my background is Latino. I'm Spanish. Let's get it. Let's go, let's go. That's why you guys know I sometimes I say, hey, welcome to the family or la familia, because we're we gotta represent, man. We gotta represent the family, la familia, you know? So let me know where you guys from. Where are you from, Vincent? Let me know where you're from. All right. Let's take a look at NAS 100 for my friend here, Amir. I forgot about you, Amir. I haven't forgot about you. Let's just let's take a look here. Let's see. Similar concepts. Okay, so let me point this out. So that was the level of structure. Actually, let me just clear the charts here. So actually, you know what? Price was, you guys see that here? Price was holding this level of support here. See that? Price held this level of support and reacted right away. I had that highlighted there, so that obviously tells you kind of where price is reacting. And then so my next level of structure is probably around here. I can see it's busy here. Price was holding this level of support, resistance, support. Okay, so this is a level of significance here to me. Obviously we can continue to go more and more. There's more levels of structure, but we want to focus on current price action. So this is the daily time frame. Vincent, okay, let's see the comments in here. Pennsylvania, but I'm Puerto Rican. Hey, yes, bro. All right, so we Latinos, man. You know how it goes. Welcome to the family, bro. I'm not sure if you already subscribed, but welcome. You know how it is. We gotta support each other, and I appreciate you joining. So let's go. We're also neighbors too, because you're in Pennsylvania, I'm in Canada, so Toronto. All right, so let's take a look at NAS 100 4 hours. So yeah, we're looking bullish. Honestly, I'm looking at price. It seems like it held this level of support, short level of support on the 4-hour, and a continuation to the upside. What I want to see is price come up to this level high. We could see a good potential buy setup here. But again, this is the 4-hour, so I'm not gonna get into this yet. We can narrow it down to the 30-minute. As long as price holds this level of support here on NAS 100, I'm looking for a clean buy setup. And long-term wise, I'm looking for NAS to reach these highs over here. Okay, but short-term, let me pull my fib here. All right, so we're looking at buy setups potentially to these highs over here. Currently, short-term. Yeah, we got a rejection of 0.50. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, laugh out loud. Thank you. Yep. All right. We got Ali Joe. I'm Ali Joe all the way from Namibia. Hey, Ali, welcome. Welcome from Namibia. Got a couple new family members joining the family. Let's get it. Let's get it. Welcome. Yeah, so US30 is kind of sorry, US30, oh my god. NAS 100, we're looking at a continuation to the upside short term. So what I could see price is probably we could get a nice push, okay? And then a pullback of this level here, so this high over here, and then a continuation to the upside of these highs, okay? Something like this. All right, we've got Siraj. Hi. Siraj, welcome. Amir, looks good. Thanks, Pedro. As I had that highlighted on my chart as well. Your next key level long-term. Yes, that's right. Yes, that's right. So I'm saying long-term wise. And then again, to keep in mind, guys, that this level here too, price could, for NAS 100, could come up to this level here and reject it. Just because I'm seeing price come up, I'm not saying, hey, this is a buy setup and because it's a break and retest. No, we also have to keep in mind, guys, that price could come back down. Sorry, my arrow's not even giving you much. Here, let me do it from here. So this level here, right, could be retested multiple times. And in fact, I don't usually get in on a trade when it's only tested it once. I want to see it rejected at least 2 to 3 times before I start looking for buy setups. So yes, price could be trending bullish right now, but we also have to keep in mind that price could come back down and retest this level at least 3 times, minimum 2. Sometimes it's just the 1, and that's fine. But remember, guys, trading's all about probabilities, and we want to minimize our risk as much as possible, okay? Hey, Siraj from Ontario, Canada. Hey, Siraj, welcome, man. Welcome. We're literally living in the same province, man. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. I don't even know what happened to my charts here. Jeez. Okay, no, that's US30. Yeah, welcome, Siraj. Not sure if you're already part of the family, but make sure you subscribe and join the family there and hit that little notification so you get notified every single time I'm live, guys. But yeah, so that's kind of what I'm checking on US30. And I'll keep you guys up to date on my Telegram. So I'm always up to date on the Telegram if there's a trade that I'm going to be getting in. So keep an eye out on my Telegram, guys. If you guys enjoyed that explanation on US30, smash that like button for me. Got lots of people joining us from everywhere. Let's get it. All right. It's a beautiful Monday morning. All right. Let me know any specific pairs you guys are also analyzing. I will keep you guys in the loop. Anything I see fully forming. Welcome to all our new members. We got a couple new members joining the family, guys. Welcome. Happy to have you guys here. Yeah, NAS 100, we're getting that push to the upside, but that's kind of what I'm expecting. That wait. US 30, we're coming to this level high. This is a level of structure, guys. As I mentioned before, we do have to keep in mind that price could reject this level and come back down and retest this lows over here. But I want to see a break of this structure for a continuation to the upside. Just got to keep an eye out and see what price is going to do. Right? But I'm thinking price for US 30 is probably going to react to this level and probably range a little bit, react, create some sort of a double top and then a continuation to the downside, because it is quite a level of significance. You know, price has respected this level of structure for quite some time. So if we get a break above, then we're looking for clean buys. If we get a rejection of this level, we're still kind of ranging in this area here. Something to keep in mind. GJ, yeah, we already kind of went over GJ. Seems like we are getting that support hold there. Still not as clean as I'd like, but it is what it is. Seems like we are getting a level of support to this area here as well, so something to keep an eye out there too. All right, so here it seems like price is also holding its level of support. So if price is able to reject this level, then we're looking for a continuation to this level high over here. And if we get a break of this structure, I'm looking for clean buys, a break of this structure. You can see my notes there. Unfortunately, yeah, we thought it would pull back a little bit further, which it did, and then market open and then it pulled back up. So it seems like price broke above. It's retesting right now on the 30-minute. We are looking at the 30-minute time frame for CAD JPY. So yeah, welcome guys. Got a couple more people joining the family, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's take a look at USD CAD. So USD CAD is kind of at a major level here of support. So we're kind of expecting price to kind of pull back, which it didn't fully pull back to this level high. That's fine. What I want to see is price hold this level of support. That's kind of the most important thing, is price to hold this level of support. This is important, guys, to understand. This is the 4-hour time frame, because we're able to understand the overall direction of the market. We're not really trending up or down right now, so that's the thing. We do have to be very cautious when we trade a market like this. It's kind of like sideways ranging market. I mean, it is kind of trending upwards, but it's still kind of very choppy, right? Like we do have these lower highs and higher highs, but it's just not the ideal condition you want to be trading in the market. It's all good. We'll keep you guys in the loop when it comes to these pairs. So yeah, so it seems like we did get a break below. It could be retesting. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. So let's narrow it down here. USD CAD. Yeah, I mean, could be faking out, but we just gotta wait for a confirmation. We want to see price break below this level. At least I want to see USD CAD break below this level, like a nice strong momentum push to the downside. Okay, and then a retest of this level structure. This level structure, price to come back up to this level structure. Okay, and then we could get on some nice clean sells for the bottom level here, which I already had overall. My overall direction was sells for USD CAD. Let's go, guys. If you guys understood that explanation, smash that like button for me. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Yeah, so GBP odd, we're kind of really choppy right now for GBP odd. I really do like this pair. It is ranging right now. Expecting some sort of a breakout. Just not sure when it's going to happen, guys. Siraj, what broker are you using? I'm with Blueberry Markets. Hey, man, I'm with Black Bull Market. Yeah. I don't have the link. I don't really do like any like affiliate stuff. I know some like YouTubers and they do like affiliate stuff, so I don't have a link for you, bro, but I can tell you that they're pretty good. They're regulated. My mentor told me about them, so they're pretty good. So I like how they're regulated. I like how they respond. They have like a live support, so like they're 24/7. So if you have any questions, they yeah, they let you know. So maybe I'll start adding the link to my broker just so that you guys know. But they're pretty good. They're solid. I've also had Hugo's Way. I do have another account with them. They're pretty good. I haven't had any issues with Hugo's Way as well. I don't think they are regulated. I'm not sure. I can't remember, but they're also pretty good. No issues with that. Never heard of Blueberry Markets. Never heard of Blueberry Markets, bro. I'll be honest with you. But as long as it's regulated and as long as like you can try and pull out some money withdrawals, you should be fine. So let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We got a couple new members joining the family, guys. Welcome. Couple new members joining us. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys.
Manufacturer for your parts? Xometry is the right fit. We always have open capacity.
Oh, you gotta love the ads, guys.
Sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, and more.
All right, guys. So I think we're gonna call it a live stream. It's been great. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the chat box before I leave. Also, guys, I want to let you know, if you guys want to join our Telegram group, we've got an awesome Telegram group. You guys can join us there. It's absolutely free to join Blessed Traders Academy. You can click the link below in the video description to join our Telegram group. We have an awesome community there. Also, feel free to follow me on all my socials on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. But yeah, anyways, guys, appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for joining us. I might come on tonight for a pre-London session. So either way, I'll keep you guys in the loop. I am very communicative when it comes to any trades or any setups I'm looking at. So make sure you guys do subscribe though and hit the little notification. If you don't hit the notification, you won't know when I'm on. Obviously, like I said, I'm here Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. every day, but do surprise you guys on the evenings and on the weekends sometimes. So let's get it. So that's kind of what I'm seeing for GBP CAD. Right now, I kind of want to stay out because it's really choppy, but I'll keep you guys in the loop. Seems like Euro JPY is potentially rejecting this level. Yeah, so we just got to see if it's going to break below this level, and then we can expect heavy sells if we get a rejection and break of that level of structure. We can expect price to continue to go down below. And this is the 4 hour. If you go to the 1 hour, yeah. So if we get a break of this level of support and we get price break below, then that was just a fake out. And then what I want to see is price strong momentum push down, and then a pullback, and then a continuation to the downside. So lots of great potential for some trade setups. But anyways, we'll keep you guys in the loop. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate you guys, each and every one of you. If you enjoyed this live stream, make sure you guys smash that like button. Also, if you're ready to take your trading to a whole new level, make sure you guys follow us on our Telegram group. and also join the family. Appreciate you all. I will catch you guys until later, possibly tonight. I'll surprise. We'll see. Maybe. Let's go. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate it.